Deadline is fast approaching, and if you are a procrastinator and haven't filed yet, you only have about 8 days to do so. And so joining me this morning is Sheri Schultz of Fiske & Company, a CPA firm located in Plantation. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, it is crunch time now, right?
It is.
What is the first thing that someone should do? I guess when you're looking at this year's taxes, you actually should look back?
You should actually look at your last year's tax return when you are preparing this year's, because you'll make sure you pick up all items of income and pick up all the deductions. So always compare this year's return to last year's return.
Not necessarily a tax-related, well, this is tax-related, but if you want to open an IRA, now's a good time, right?
Absolutely. You have until April 15th to fund your IRA, and you can contribute up to $5,000 if you're under 50. If you are 50 as of January 1st, 2012, you can give another $1,000. And what some people don't know, even if your spouse is not working, you can contribute that $5,000 or $6,000 for your spouse.
That's a great way to save money.
Absolutely.
For retirement. E-file. You know, a lot of people are reticent to file over the internet. They think that they're going to be a better target for fraud. True or not true?
It's not true. It's very safe, it's efficient, and it's accurate. That is the way to go. You should be e-filing your return.
What about direct deposit?
That's one of the reasons why you should e-file.
Yeah.
To have a direct deposit, you could look within 72 hours of e-filing your return, and you will be able to get and track your refund, and your refund should be back in 21 days.
Well, let's say I haven't done my taxes. I have. But if I haven't done my taxes and you know, I've got 8 days and I'm scrambling to get it done, do I raise a red flag by filing an extension? Am I going to get audited because I file an extension, or should I take my time?
Absolutely take your time. You can file Form 4868. It is very easy to file extensions. Do understand, though, it is an extension to file. You have 6 months to file your return.
Not an extension to pay.
Not an extension to pay. So if you owe money, estimate and make sure you don't lowball it. Estimate what it should be, otherwise the IRS will reject the extension, and then go ahead and pay it. Now, some people may not have the ability to pay it. Still either file or file the extension, because there's a late payment penalty if you don't file on time.
And
so,
just like my kids, I'm sorry, did I cut you off?
No, you didn't.
Okay. Yeah, just like my kids, you know, I tell them when they're taking a test, if you finish, go back over and look over the test. If you have time before the bell rings, you might catch something. That's a good thing to do if you're doing your taxes too, right?
Yes, because the IRS said the most mistakes are made are math mistakes, either transposing a number or computing something, and always check the Social Security number.
Right.
A lot of people put the wrong Social Security number down for you, your spouse, and your children.
You know, deductions. Everybody loves deductions, but it seems like there's fewer and fewer every year. What are a couple of deductions that maybe people don't remember or don't recognize?
Well, a sales tax deduction is relatively new over the last couple of years, and you can either take state income tax or sales tax. Well, Florida doesn't have state income tax, so everyone should be taking sales tax deductions. And there's a chart.
So if I buy a car,
if you buy a car, you can add it above and beyond the chart, or you can just add up all your sales tax for the year. If you spend a lot of money, you're going to want to do it to add your own sales tax up instead of using the chart.
Sheri, thank you so much for coming in. A lot of great information.
Thank you.
I know you're busy. You got to get out there and
yes, I do.
Do taxes. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.